Welcome to today's episode where we'll be discussing the 12 crucial questions you should ask your realtor when viewing a potential home. Hi, I'm Gary Fabian with Coldwell Banker Realty, and I'm delighted today to speak with you about these important questions that everyone should be asking their realtor when looking at homes. Buying a house is a significant investment, and it's essential to gather all the information you need to make an informed decision. Let's dive into the questions that will help you gain a comprehensive understanding of the property. Number one on our list is the seller's motivation. Why is the seller moving? Knowing the seller's motivation can provide valuable insights. A motivated seller might be more open to negotiation, allowing you to potentially secure a better deal. If the seller is highly motivated, you may have some room to make additional requests in your offer. Question 2 involves property inclusions. What comes with the property? It's crucial to clarify which fixtures and appliances are included in the sale. This can prevent surprises later on and help you plan for potential replacements. Question 3 pertains to the roof. How old is the roof? The roof is a significant expense, and understanding its age can impact your negotiation strategy. A well-maintained roof ensures your investment is protected. Replacing the roof is a big expense, and one that people expecting to move might put off. A new roof can cost several $1,000s, so find out if that's needed. A roof in need of repair could also be a problem for your lender, and you may have to negotiate with the seller to replace it before you can get your mortgage. Number 4 relates to the HVAC system. How old and how efficient is the heating and cooling system? An outdated system can lead to additional cost, and knowing its condition helps you plan for potential replacements and assess energy efficiency. You'll want to find out more about how the home is heated and cooled, and whether repairing or replacing that system will be an immediate concern. The next question you want to ask is about disclosures. Are there any property disclosures that I should be aware of? Sellers are obligated to disclose certain information, such as the presence of lead-based paint, asbestos, or pest infestation. It's essential to be aware of potential hazards before making a decision. Question number 6 relates to the home's condition. Are there any problems with the house? While not all issues may be disclosed, many sellers are forthcoming about the condition of their home. Listen attentively and inquire about any recent replacements or repairs. It's also important to learn whether repairs were performed by qualified professionals or if it was a DIY project. Okay, we're halfway there. Number 7 is about additions and renovations. Have there been any additions or renovations to the home? Additions may not always be reflected in official records, so it's crucial to understand the history of any modifications. If additions have been made, ask about the contractor used. If a homeowner likes do-it-yourself projects, they may not have used the proper techniques or gotten permits for the work done. It's best to be cautious about any major work done by a homeowner who is not a licensed contractor. The next question deals with property surveys and easements. Has the property been surveyed recently, and are there any easements attached to the property? Understanding property boundaries and easements can prevent future disputes. Check for survey markers and be aware of any limitations on your property. Make sure there are no fences or structures that extend over the property line. An easement is the legal right of a neighbor to access your property. This can happen if a shared driveway, for example, starts on your land and branches off to other houses. The 9th question you want to ask is this: in what year was the house built? Knowing the age of the property helps you anticipate potential issues associated with older homes. A house that is several years old may present certain problems that a newly built house would not. Question number 10 deals with the damage history of the home. Has the house suffered any damage in recent years? A general overview of the house's condition is essential. Sellers are legally obligated to disclose any recent damage, giving you insight into the property's history. The next question deals with moisture, mold, and cracks. Are you aware of any moisture or mold problems, and have you seen any cracks in the home? Moisture, mold, and cracks can indicate potential problems. A damp house is not ideal for occupants, and some cracks, especially in the foundation, may pose serious issues. While some cracks may be the result of a minor problem, others can represent a much greater danger. And the last but not least question you want to ask is, has a pre-sale inspection been carried out? Some sellers conduct pre-sale inspections, offering a comprehensive overview of the property's condition. If not, I highly recommend hiring a home inspector to ensure a thorough assessment. A good home inspector will analyze all visible and easily accessible components of the home, the plumbing, heating, roofing, etc., to detect any potential problems. And there you have it, 12 essential questions to ask your realtor when viewing a home. Armed with this information, you'll be better equipped to make an informed decision on one of the most significant investments of your life. If I can help you with any real estate needs whatsoever, please reach out to me at 843-209-2801. Thanks for joining me today, and happy house hunting.